We'll start in the hospitality sector as Hilton Hotels and Resorts partners with Tesla to supercharge your stay. Next, we'll take you to China, where Tesla's electric vehicle journey is experiencing remarkable growth. That's not all. We'll explore the evolving landscape of electric vehicle charging featuring major automotive players. Before we embark on this electrifying journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for all the latest updates. The future of Transpo, let's now explore some of Tesla's most noteworthy stories. China and Hilton, a major step towards expanding its supercharger network and improving the ease of long distance travel for owners of electric vehicles. Tesla has partnered strategically with Hilton Hotels and Resorts. Beginning in early 2024, Hilton intends to install a sizable infrastructure of 20,000 Tesla universal wall connector plugs throughout 2,000 of its hotel properties located in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. With 1,850 of its Hilton branded hotels across the globe equipped with EV chargers, Hilton is poised to become the industry leader in EV charging networks for the hospitality sector. This ambitious project is a reflection of Hilton's commitment to meeting the changing needs of its eco-aware guests. Hilton's decision to invest in expanding its EV charging infrastructure is firmly rooted in the growing demand from travelers for access to dependable charging facilities. Travelers' access to convenient charging facilities is a major factor that frequently influences their choice out of accommodation, and Hilton has reported a significant surge in customer interest in EV charging options while on the road. This surge has led to a significant growth in the volume of searches for EV charging related information on its website. This surge has propelled EV charging related inquiries from the fourth to the second highest category in terms of conversions bookings. Remarkably, according to past statistics from Hilton, one of the most popular searches that resulted in reservations for rooms was for information about using an airport shuttle service. The rising population of EV owners can find Hilton hotels even more appealing with the inclusion of substantial EV charging infrastructure. It's important to differentiate between Tesla's famed supercharger network and Hilton's universal wall connectors both function to charge Tesla electric vehicles. They differ in terms of charging speed, cost. Tesla's supercharger network offers fast DC charging, which is a quicker way to recharge an electric vehicle's battery. In comparison, wall connectors provide a slower but more affordable option for AC charging. With this approach, Tesla can serve a wider spectrum of customers, including those who value cost, effectiveness, or speed when charging. As the world continues its shift towards sustainable transportation, partnerships like the one between Tesla and Hilton represent a significant step forward in the evolution of EV infrastructure, making electric vehicle travel more accessible and convenient for a wider range of consumers. These partnerships are poised to play a pivotal role in fostering the growth and adoption of electric vehicles. According to Rebecca Tanucci, Senior Director of Charging Infrastructure at Tesla, the company's dedication to establishing affordable, practical charging infrastructure at key places in line with the changing needs of owners of electric vehicles. The goal is apparent. By putting infrastructure at well-known locations like Hilton Hotels, EV owners will be able to charge where they park, eliminating the need for pointless stops along the way to refill. This strategy demonstrates Tesla's commitment to raising EV charging's accessibility and cost while promoting a smooth and effective charging experience for its expanding customer base. While this is going on, notable automakers are joining Tesla's supercharger network. Honda recently announced that cars will start integrating the North American standard plug for charging in its upcoming EVs in 2025. This calculated action shows that Honda's electric vehicles will have native access to Tesla's supercharger network, increasing the allure of its EV products. In addition, Honda intends to release an adapter plug in 2025 to allow for backward compatibility with its earlier EVs S models that adhere to the CCS standard. Notably, starting in the upcoming year, other automotive partners like GM, Ford, and Mercedes will have early access to the supercharger network. This development is yet another important change in the EV charging infrastructure landscape that will traffic network operators like Blink and Evgo ChargePoint. These businesses have historically tried to keep the charging wars impartial by supporting a range of charging standards, but in order to serve the increasing number of cars that are compatible with the Tesla charging standard, they are now progressively adding NACS plugs to their stations, achieving a balance between cost effectiveness and catering to a wide variety of EV users is the problem facing charging network operators. It is a tough business proposition because to the inherent difficulties of running a charging network here, which are characterized by high upfront expenses and variable utilization rates, ChargePoint's recent difficulties, as seen by its stock price after a lower than expected earnings report, highlight the volatility of the industry. In the meantime, Tesla is forming partnerships with significant companies like Hilton, which plans to install 20,000 Tesla universal wall connector plugs at 2,000 of its hotel locations in the US, Canada, and Mexico. This project will surely strengthen Hilton's standing as a pioneer in the hotel industry's EV charging infrastructure, providing a useful amenity to its customers who care about the environment. Hilton, a well-known hotel chain that manages a number of well-known brands, including Embassy Suites, Hampton Inn, and DoubleTree, is aware of how its guest requirements are changing. In particular, more and more visitors are looking for somewhere to charge their electric cars while they are on the go. Interesting information can be found on the Hilton website in terms of turning searches into real stays. The search volume for EV charging has grown at the quickest rate this year, jumping from the 4th highest category to the 2nd highest. This change in consumer choices highlights the growing need for easy-to-use e-charging solutions when traveling with Hilton in an effort to meet this demand. Hilton previously disclosed that the most popular search term leading to hotel reservations was access to an airport shuttle. In light of the increased interest in EV charging, Hilton is modifying its offerings to better suit its guests' changing needs. As it's important to note that while both the Hilton installed Tesla universal wall connectors and Tesla's well-known supercharger network have the same purpose of charging Tesla electric vehicles, they differ in terms of charging speed and cost. While wall plugs offer a more affordable, albeit slower, option for Area C charging, Tesla's supercharger network offers rapid DC charging, providing a speedier way to recharge an EV's battery. With this calculated move, Tesla is able to serve a wider range of customers, including those who value price or speed. The efficiency of preferred charging methods, the company's commitment to installing affordable and convenient charging solutions wherever EVs are parked for extended periods of time, typically more than an hour or two, was reaffirmed by Rebecca Tanucci, Senior Director of Charging. We'll start in the hospitality sector as Hilton Hotels and Resorts partners with Tesla to supercharge your stay. Next, we'll take you to China, where Tesla's electric vehicle journey is experiencing remarkable growth. That's not all. We'll explore the evolving landscape of electric vehicle charging featuring major automotive players. Before we embark on this electrifying journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for all the latest updates. The future of Transpo, let's now explore some of Tesla's most noteworthy stories. China and Hilton, a major step towards expanding its supercharger network and improving the ease of long-distance